What's up fam? I'm Keshni with BlogVault, the most reliable WordPress backup plugin that guarantees you 100% website recovery. Today, we're talking about the latest feature of BlogVault called Slack integration. And I'm super pumped about this new feature, and I hope you are too, because it's the most requested feature by our customers. Slack integration enables instant notification to help you track key actions related to your website. Be it your first website scan or an auto scan detecting malware, you and your team are notified instantly at all times. So let's jump into it and see how to set up Slack integration from your BlogVault or Malcare dashboard. The process used in setting up your Slack integration is the same for both BlogVault and Malcare. Moving on to the dashboard, once you have logged onto your BlogVault dashboard, on the right side you see the account section, and we click on it and then go to integrations. This takes you to Slack. Slack is one of the first integrations that BlogVault has done, and there are many more to come in store. Click on Slack, and this takes you to a page where it says Add to Slack. When you click on Add to Slack, it takes you here, because Slack integration requires for you to add your workspace URL and other information related to the same. If you don't have a workspace, you can just go down on the same page here and create a new workspace. Once you enter your workspace URL and click on Continue, Slack takes you to another page where you add your email address and your password. And once you've done that, Slack gives you an option to choose which channel would you like to receive all your notifications on. So you go to Select Channel, and let's say I select General and I press Authorize. Well, voila, that's it guys. You have set up your Slack integration and saved yourself a lot of time. So what are you waiting for? Get started to set Slack integration today with ease with BlogVault. Thank you for watching this video. For further information regarding how to set up Slack integration, please look in the description below for a step-by-step guide for the same. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.